Hello, it's Saturday the 6th of October. In this video I'm just looking at the latest Lotto result and see if I can figure out why these numbers came out and see if I can predict what's going to happen next. Nobody won the jackpot, so tonight it's 3.1 million. The machine was Lancelot and set of balls 2 in the last draw, and the result was very odd. In other words, they were all odd numbers, which is a little bit unusual. But anyway, if we look at a chart for the machine and set of balls that was used, it looks like that. That's where the winning numbers were, and now that they've come out, it looks like that. So let's see if any of these numbers were most outstanding when we look at both machines that are in use. Well, when we do that and just look at the set of balls 2, main number 3 was most overdue for its frequency. That's where the other winning numbers were. So if we look at a chart for number 3, and if we look at all sets of balls and all machines, then that's the chart for number 3. That's where the winning numbers were. So you can see number 11 on the edge of that chart for set of balls 2, that is. If we look at all sets of balls, and if we only look at the recent draw history since the numbers went up to 59, then that's the chart for number 3. And that's where the winning numbers were. So 25 and 27 were 2 of the most overdue numbers. Now if we look at a chart for 25, that's where the winning numbers were on that. If we look at 27, that's that one. Then we've got 11, five, and 45. So none of the numbers were particularly outstanding with each other when we're looking at all machines and sets of balls since the numbers went up to 59. So if we do the same thing with the full draw history, then it's all going to be messed up because of the recently added numbers. So I'm not going to bother with that. Instead, I'm just going to narrow it down to the current trend, which is Guinevere and Lancelot sets 1 to 4. So that's what the current trend chart looked like before the last drop, and that's where the winning numbers were. So now that those numbers have come out, that's what the chart looks like now. So you can see the numbers on the edge are 29 most frequent, 32 most overdue for its frequency, 52 most overdue. Also got 24 on the edge of the chart, and so I might put a one number out pick on each of these. Or what I might do is just pick one number to go with each of these numbers. So to go with 52, I'll look at all machines and sets of balls. So we've got 26 most outstanding with 52. Now if we look at 32, then we've got 16 most outstanding with that, and also number 2 most frequent. Well, I'm going to go with 16. And if we look at 29, then to go with that I would either have 19 or 47. So I think I will probably pick 47 to go with number 29. So if those numbers come out, that's what it'll look like. So before the last draw, this chart for all machines and sets of balls recent history, it looks like that, and the numbers that came out were these numbers. So that's my numbers for tonight's draw, and that's what the chart for all machines and sets of balls since they went up to 59, that's what the chart looks like. See 24 most overdue, way up there, and these are the rest of the numbers. So you can see 16 that is there. In fact, I can just highlight where the numbers that I've picked are on this chart. Where is 29th? There it is. So that's what I think is going to happen, and I think these numbers are going to be the next ones to drop down to the bottom. So good luck with your predictions, and that concludes this video. Bye for now.